Wow, that's really something.
It is.
Boy, you've been up and down and up and
I think
down.
we've had every single temperature this weekend, it feels like, that's for sure. Very, very cold right going into the weekend, and then very mild this afternoon, 70s out there. So we have a really pretty evening in store. Starting to see more cloud cover work its way in, however. Here's a live look at our Hill Country camera. Not as much cloud cover there as there is here over Austin, but you notice that's going to make for a really pretty sunset in just a little bit here. Closer to town, we have a mostly cloudy skies, temperature 67 degrees. By 10 p.m. you notice temperatures aren't going to fall off very much. That's because of our cloud cover. And by early tomorrow morning, we could even see some patchy drizzle stretched across the area. Temperature still mild early tomorrow in the upper 50s and low 60s. Overcast skies right now at Camp Mabry, 67 degrees, 68 and overcast out at ABIA. Winds are a bit breezy out of the airport, about 16 miles an hour out of the south-southeast. South-southeast flow out at Camp Mabry, 9 miles an hour. Winds overnight will drop between 5 and 10. Still that southerly flow, but we're going to be watching some changes tomorrow. As cold front moves in, that's going to switch this wind around to a more northerly flow. Right now, temperatures in the Hill Country, mid-60s across the board, 64 in Burnett. Right now it's 66 in Georgetown, upper 60s along our eastern counties, 68 in Bastrop. And across the state, temperatures range from the upper 60s, some places even in the 70s to our south, to low 60s up to our north near Amarillo, 63 degrees there, but at 68 in Waco, 72 still in Corpus Christi. Across the state, we've seen mostly clear skies across West Texas. Here in Central Texas and along the coast, more low-level cloud cover has worked its way in. This is going to increase and spread west as we go through the overnight hours, and we're actually tracking our next storm system. An area of low pressure over eastern Colorado, cold front through New Mexico. This is going to be working our way by early tomorrow morning, so we're going to see some changes as we go through the day tomorrow and into your Tuesday. So let's go hour by hour through our forecast. Tonight, increasing clouds, isolated showers along our eastern county are possible late in the overnight into early tomorrow morning. That could become a little more widespread early in the day as that front moves closer, but this front's going to move through a little bit quicker than we thought it was yesterday. It's actually going to pass through the Austin area around midday. After that, a little bit drier conditions, drier air working its way in, so we could start to see our cloud cover recede as we go through the evening hours. It's not going to be Monday night and into Tuesday when some of that cooler air is going to work its way in. That will help drop temperatures into early on your Tuesday morning. Behind this front also during the day on Tuesday, not only will we see the cooler, drier air, but we'll see breezy conditions with winds between about 15 and 25 miles an hour out of the north and west. And the upper levels of the atmosphere, here's the trough that's going to push that cold front through Monday. It's going to move out fairly quickly, though, but you notice even into Wednesday morning, we're still in that northerly flow over Texas. That means Wednesday morning could be our next freeze or widespread freeze here in central Texas. After that, however, we start to see a ridge of high pressure build right back in over central Texas. That means skies clear. Temperatures are gradually going to warm up through the end of the week and into next weekend. Tonight, here's what you can expect. Again, temperatures staying fairly mild, especially across the eastern and metro areas. In the Hill Country, since it'll take a little bit longer for the cloud cover to work its way out there, you could fall into the mid and upper 50s tonight. For tomorrow, temperatures will top out in the low 70s in the Hill Country. That front's going to move through that area first. The low to mid 70s here in the metro area and along our eastern counties. Our southern counties could get even into the upper 70s as that front works its way through, and then temperatures through the afternoon, evening hours slowly start to cool down. Tonight, 61 degrees here in Austin, 73 with a small chance for a few showers. By the afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy skies, and here's that 7-day forecast. Breezy on Tuesday, cold again Wednesday morning, and then after that, our temperatures really start to look pretty nice. We're back into the 60s and 70s by Friday and Saturday.